Here I have a 2024 Chevy Malibu with a 1.5 liter engine. And if you just want the quick information for the oil change, it takes 0W20. It has to be Dexos 3. Oil capacity is 4.2 quarts. The drain plug is a 15 millimeter or a T45. The torque on that is 18 foot-pounds. And if you want to use the oil filter, an AC Delco one, it's a PF64, or the OEM one is the number down there. If you want to see where everything's at, just stick around and I'll show you everything. At the top here, you got your oil fill cap, and it does say 020 on that. And then next to it is the dipstick. So super easy. And at the bottom, it doesn't have a cover. There's your drain plug and your filter. And then when you fill it up, you want your oil to be in between those two dots where the hash marks are. And then to reset your oil life, you want to hold the start button, which is going to be ignition on, engine off. Don't press on the brake or anything. And then you can do two things. You can press on the gas pedal all the way down 3 times. All right. Or you can go through the menus using these buttons here on the steering wheel. And you just go down to oil life. I kind of skipped it there. But once you're there, you hold the check mark. You hold it. And then you're going to hear like a beep. And then there you go. And then like I said, you can also just press down on the gas pedal 3 times. But make sure your engine is off.